Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the input not supported display monitor error on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. Before we begin with the steps, make sure that the cable is properly connected to both the monitor and the computer. A loose or improperly connected cable can often be the cause of display issues. Check that the cable is securely plugged into both the monitor's input port and the appropriate output port on your PC. If you have two VGA adapters, one integrated on your motherboard and another separate one, be sure to use the separate adapter. Integrated graphics might not always be configured correctly, or the output resolution may be incompatible with your monitor, leading to the input not supported error. Another tip: double-check your monitor's input source settings. Some monitors allow you to manually select the input source, e.g. HDMI, VGA DisplayPort. Make sure it's set to the correct one based on the cable you're using. Once you're sure everything is connected properly, we can move on for the first step. You'll want to head over to the search bar and type in System Configuration. Click on it to open. Once it's open, go to the Boot tab. Now you'll want to check the base video option and then click OK. It will prompt you to restart your computer, but don't restart yet. Wait until the next step in the video. You can click the X to close the window. Now head over to the search bar again, type Check for Updates, and click on it. Once you're in the Windows Update window, click Check for Updates. Make sure you install any updates that are available. For the final step, go back to the search bar and type Device Manager. Click on it to open. Once you're in the Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Then click Search for Drivers to make sure you have the most up-to-date drivers for your device. After updating, restart your computer, and hopefully this will resolve the issue for you. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.